Hello, everybody. Hi. Welcome to the
Hi.
10th episode of Let's Make a Postcard Together with Edge Design. I'm so excited. We've done 10 episodes together. We've drawn so many beautiful postcards. Some of them you can see right there behind me. And I'm very, very excited about today's postcard workshop because I have something really fun planned for all of us. So before we begin, let me tell you a little about what we do at Studio Edge because there are a lot of new faces that have joined us today. Studio Edge is a beautiful and very happy space in the heart of the Jaipur city where we do all things design related, everything fun, everything happy. We do a bunch of branding projects, we do a bunch of all sorts of design projects, you name it. What we love to do is something that comes straight from the heart, which drives us and drives our passion. And what we believe is whatever you do with your hand is truly from the heart, which is why at the beginning of this year, we started a postcard initiative where we started drawing postcards every Friday. And that brought true happiness in all of us, including our postcard tribe in all of you. So thank you for joining me today. I hope all of you are excited. We are going to make something very, very fun for all our fathers. Does everybody know when is Father's Day? Can you tell me? Can you unmute or type in the chat box?
On Sunday. Mom, it's Sunday.
Hey.
21st June.
Yes.
Sunday. 21st Sunday.
Yes, thank you. So we all know when Father's Day is. So are we excited to give Papa a very nice gift on Father's Day? Let me show you what we're going to give him. So this is a very cool postcard. Can you tell me what this postcard looks like? Is it a... Tell me.
Television.
No. More guesses.
It looks like a finger. What's that photo thing that comes?
Yes. It's a camera. Do you like this camera? Do you want to make it for your papa?
Beautiful. Yeah.
Yes? Okay. So we are going to make this beautiful camera for our papas today. This is a camera which is our postcard, and then we have these three pictures. Here I have drawn my papa and me. Here I have drawn one memory of my papa and me. 2 years ago, my papa and I went boating and we had a lot of fun. So you can draw one thing that you had fun doing with your papa. And here I've written words that I love about my papa. And you know what the best part about this postcard is? You can move it up and down. So now everybody who's excited, show me your postcard, your blank postcard, and give me a postcard wave very quickly. Yay! We're excited for today, right? Okay, so let's begin drawing postcard tribe. Now, the first step is a little tricky one, and I want all of you, everybody who is younger than 9 years old, can you please call your mama or your papa or someone to help you? This step you can't do alone. So please call somebody. I'm waiting. Call your mama or your papa or someone. I need you to get one cutter and one scale. So if you are 9 years old or below, please call somebody. We will not do this on our own, okay?
Use a scissors for this.
You won't be able to do it with scissors. I can teach you. We can try. So for everybody who's 9 years and younger, I requested their mama or papa to come and help us, please. This is just a 1 second help that we need, and then you're free to go. So we are going to take our postcard like that. And does everybody have their postcard? Can I see it, please? Yes. And then can we draw a line?
This?
Yes.
Miss, I'm not ready. Can you wait? What's that cutting one? I'm just calling her.
Okay, no problem. So I want everybody to draw 2 lines like this. You see these 2 lines over here? So take a pencil and draw 1 line like this with a scale. and leave some gap on top and draw another line like that.
How many postcards do we need per person?
If you
1 or 4?
Okay, leave enough gap on top. Now if everybody has done this, I want your mama or your papa to take the cutter and just cut this only along the line. Mamas and papas, I hope this is clear. So this is what I've done. I've only cut this much.
For the scale.
How many centimeters have you taken?
I've taken
The
approximately
cutter, just
10
wait.
centimeters in the center.
Miss,
Yes,
Miss, I don't. My mother is just getting it. Just wait for 1 minute.
I'm waiting. And for everybody who doesn't have a cutter, don't worry, I'll teach you one more trick. So what you do is, you hold your postcard and fold it in half, okay? Like that. Alright?
Mama,
And then,
my cutter.
then take your scissors. If you don't have a cutter, don't worry. Or if mama, papa are not around, don't touch the cutter. Do this. Take your scissors and cut it like that. And then on the other side, cut it like that. Not all the way up, only till halfway up. And then when you open it, you have the same thing. So after you do this, your postcard should be something like this. You should be able to pull one side behind. Like that. So can everybody show me their fingers through their postcard like this?
Miss,
Yes?
wait, just in 1 minute.
Don't worry, take your time.
My mother is cutting out the pieces.
No problem. Very nice. You guys are quick. Has everybody done this?
Miss,
Yes?
can you show us how to draw the line again?
Yes, I will. So you take your postcard like that and you draw two lines over here approximately 10 centimeters long in the center. The top one should have more gap, okay? And then you take the cutter and you cut it. Or if your mama is not there, you can fold your postcard like that and use scissors and cut it like that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So if all of us have drawn our postcard holes, can we go ahead and make a camera roll now? Very nice.
I've done my postcard.
Can I get a thumbs up from everybody if we can go to the next step?
See, miss, I could show. Now I can show you mine.
Show
Nice.
me, show me. Wow, you guys are such experts. Your papa is so lucky. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the next step. For everybody whose mama is helping them cut it, no problem. We can do the next step till then. So I asked you for one piece of A4 paper. Do you all have it? Can I see everybody's A4 paper? Awesome. Now what we will do is, don't worry, your mama will help you catch up. Don't worry, this class is going to go slow so that you have enough time to catch up, okay? So now I'm going to take this paper and now is the tricky part. I'm going to measure approximately the paper to the size of my slit. Now remember I told you it was 10 centimeters. So approximately 10 centimeters is what I'll measure and I'll draw a line over here vertically to my paper like that. Can you do this? Basically, you take only that much part that fits inside your postcard hole. So this is 10 centimeters. So you cut a paper that is 10 centimeter long. Okay? See, what I'm going to do is, I marked my 10 centimeters here. Yes, Samira, ask me what you want to ask me.
Miss, I didn't understand what to say in the paper. Can you tell from the starting on?
Yes, I'm going to tell you again and your mama sitting next to you so she'll help you, okay? So we basically take this paper, everybody, and this part, this hole is 10 centimeters long. If your hole is smaller or bigger, it's okay. Measure this and we have to cut a strip that long. Okay, whoever cannot understand, don't worry. I am here, I will explain to you. I know today's class is a little tough, but what to do? All of you are so smart that I thought you are all ready for something tough and cool, isn't it?
Excuse me, ma'am.
We need
Yes.
to do it.
Ma'am, does this strip need to be like this thick?
Yes, it needs to be thick enough so that it can enter your camera roll like that.
Hello?
Okay, so
I
now
don't have glue.
after I've measured that, I'm just going to cut it. So you know what I've done? I've just folded it like that and then I'm going to cut it. Your cutting doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be exactly straight. If your mama allows you to use the scissor, you can cut it on your own. Otherwise, your mama can cut it for you.
Pranika, can you show the final product, please? This is Chitra. Hi.
Sure, hi. This is what we're doing today. So this is our camera that we are going to be making, and this is the strip that goes inside it like a camera roll, and it can move up and down.
Oh, wow, that's so cool. Okay, great.
All right. So is everybody ready now with this? Yes. Sannati, please ask me what you want to ask me.
Sure. Do we need to do it like this or like?
Vertically. And if anybody else has any questions, I'm putting you all on mute. You can unmute yourselves and ask me, or you can raise your hand, or if I miss you, then you can ask me in the chat box.
This strip that you have cut, this is from the A4 paper. It's just cutting it vertically
Yes,
through the
it's
center,
from
right?
the A4 paper. I've cut it vertically.
Okay.
And what I've done is I've measured it approximately as much as the size of my slit.
Okay.
Mommy, I have my scissors.
You have your scissors, but will mama allow you to use it?
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay, if mama says yes, you can cut it on your own.
Okay.
Okay, so do we all have this ready? Don't worry, after this, the difficult part is over and the fun part begins. If anybody has any confusion, don't worry, just ask me. You can all do this. This is very simple, isn't it? So after we have done this, I want you all.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, you said that we will need 4, so my mama has cut them.
No, doesn't matter. We need only one. I asked you to keep some
Ma'am,
extra.
I'm doing it like this.
I asked you to keep some extra.
I stick them and I make this.
Great, perfect. That looks good. Now I see some of you have, I think, cut this entire space out by mistake. Can I please ask you to not do that? Take another postcard and leave these two corners joined. I just want you to cut these two slits like that so that your finger goes in like that. Okay? So if everybody has done this much, now is the fun part. Let's take a paper like that and put it inside. So
Mine is like this thin and the thickness is like too less.
put it in.
You have to fit it on the both
So
sides.
you put it from one side like that and take it out from the other side. So it becomes like that. Yes, that's perfect, Arohi.
No, it's sliding down.
It's sliding down. Okay, I'll tell you one trick later on, Arohi, after your postcard is over. On the back side, I want you to stick two sellotapes on the two corners, but not right now, after we finish our drawing, okay? On the back side. So do we all have this?
Yes.
When I pull this up and I pull this down, you have to be very slow. It's an handmade camera. And I'm going to use it like this because I want the top part to be thicker. Okay? Is everybody ready? Can I see everybody's rolling cameras?
After putting in, what do we need to do? It's like
Who's asking me? Can you please tell me your name?
Arohi.
Arohi. 1 minute. Yes.
so after this,
Arohi, I can't find you. What is your screen name, Arohi?
I'm Sanati.
Oh, you're Sanati. 1 minute. Yes, Sanati, tell me.
So once this is done, like next.
Yeah, I'll tell you the next step. So, have we all done this? Now, can we start coloring? Now, we are going to take out the paper and start coloring our postcard. Okay? Now, remember, the thick part comes on top and the thin part remains at bottom. Like that. I'm going to take this color. Actually, I'm using my brush pens today. So, I'm going to take this color. But your camera can be any color you like, okay? So what we're going to do is...
Veronica, mommy,
Yes?
I already have that color paper.
Oh, perfect. So you can do it on that color paper as well. You can even use a colored paper if you like. So I'm going to take this and color my whole camera very quickly.
Sanati here again. One last
Sorry?
question.
Auntie, can you wait 1 second?
Yes, ask me whatever questions you have. I hope you all are able to catch up.
Is it compulsory to color? Can we draw?
Of course you can draw. This is your camera for your papa. You can do whatever you like. Nothing is compulsory in this class except for having fun. Now remember one thing. I'm not going to color this part. So this area I'm going to leave blank because here is where my camera roll comes like that. Okay? So I'm going to save time and leave this area blank and color the rest of the part. So you can do that as well. And we can color like that. So see, this is what I've done. And your coloring doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be fun.
So, mommy,
Yes?
what is blank?
The center part is blank.
Oh, you have to color outside the paper?
Yes, you know this box?
Yes.
This box is blank that we had cut and everything else you can color. But if you are getting confused, you can color the whole postcard with one color.
Okay.
And I hope that everybody has been able to reach this far. If there's someone who is still confused, please ask me. I hope this is not very complicated for all of you. I know you're all a very smart bunch, so I'm sure you would have been able to do this much. But if some of you don't have your help of Mama and Papa, I'm here to help you. So this is what I've done so far. Have we all colored our cameras? Can we draw on our camera now? Can I see everybody's cameras?
Can you wait? I want to ask you the last thing.
Yes, ask me.
That's Am I still coloring? Can I color?
I'm waiting for everybody who's coloring. I'm waiting. Don't worry.
Like it's a hole here, so in the corners I only color the wheels.
Yes. Alright, see, this is what my camera postcard is looking like right now. Once you all have colored, you can write okay or give me a thumbs up and then we can go ahead and draw our
Ma'am,
map.
it doesn't need to be on this part, right?
Yes, that looks good.
To remain white.
Yes.
For the whole poster.
Looks good, all of you.
I'm doing some patterns. I might take time, so you can move forward.
No problem.
What's the size of the camera with the paper that you used?
It's a postcard size. 4x6 inches is the camera that we are using.
And can you just tell us the slit size again? Mera to screw up ho gaya. I'll have to start it again.
Don't worry. So what we've done here is we have a postcard that is 4x6 inches and we've taken approximately 10 centimeters in the center of the postcard and drawn two lines. The top line is a little away from the top side and the bottom line is closer because that's how our camera orientation is. And then I've just taken a cutter and cut these slits for it to look like that. You should be able to put your finger through like that.
Okay, perfect, perfect.
And then on the front side, you can color it and leave the bottom, leave the center box white.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
So since I repeated for my friend, have all of you been able to catch up? Have we all colored our cameras? Can I see? Wow! I love the colors you all have chosen. Yellow, pink, blue, brown. I love it. All of you are so cool.
Purple.
Purple. Wow. Red.
I'm chosen red.
I love it. Okay, so has everybody colored their cameras? Can we now start drawing our cameras? Tarini, don't worry. I'm going to keep telling you and you can keep catching up, okay? Wow, somebody's done orange also. I love all your cameras. Okay, so now take your black pen and let's draw the camera. So what we're going to do is, we are going to... Yes?
I don't have pen.
Okay, you can take a black sketch pen. Or a black crayon or a color pencil. Okay?
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to
I'll
take
see
my
if I
pen.
have a black marker.
That'll do. So I'm going to take my black pen and just draw a border on the bottom side of my postcard. It does not have to be a straight line. It can be like that. Remember, your bottom is this and your front is the one that is thicker. And actually I'm going to use my black sketch pen as well. So I'm just going to do this. And then I'm going to do this on both the sides. I'm not doing this on the top right now. On the top, I'm actually going to make a line right here. Have you all been able to make this line? Yes. So I'm going to make a line here and a line here.
I'm still coloring my camera.
No problem. And this is what I've done. So I've made a little rectangle here and a little triangle base over here. Alright, and then for my rectangle, I'm just going to make straight lines inside it like that. So don't worry, if you're still catching up, I'm going to keep showing you the steps again and again so you can draw with all
Ma'am,
of us.
I don't think my black lines are visible because the color I've chosen is like really dark.
Okay, can I see what color you've chosen?
Yeah, this one. The one I've done here.
Use a black sketch pen, your lines should be visible. Even if they're faintly visible, it works. Alright, so now that we've done this much, we are going to basically make these two slanting triangles into a proper triangle and color inside them like that. Okay? After we've done this, we are going to just make
Tanika, mommy,
3 circles inside this. Yes?
look at mine.
Yes, I will look at yours. Like that.
Ma'am, could we make another
Wow.
design?
Yes, of course. You can make stripes inside it. You can make triangles inside it or squares inside it. We just have to make it look like a camera. Okay. Once we've done this much, we are going to now join these two bottom lines like that. So see, this is what I've done. I've basically joined the bottom lines like that. And I'm going to take my scissor again. And I'm going to cut the extra parts over here. So I've cut this part. Then I'm going to cut this part and this part. So I've cut the second part, and if you don't want to cut it, you can let it be. If you think it's very difficult for you, then you can let it be.
This?
And I've cut this, yes?
Nothing. Actually, I just wanted to see that thing. Yeah.
Okay. See, so what I did was I made this and then I cut these 3 sections off. Very good. Looks lovely, all of you. Very nice. Some of you are so fast. Awesome.
But I can't understand what are you telling.
What is your name?
Samaira.
Samaira. Wait, let me tell you again. 1 minute. I'm trying to find your screen so that I can talk to you.
Samaira.
What is your screen name, Samaira? Can you wave at me? Samaira. Okay, now listen to me. What we have done is we have taken a postcard. How much have you done? Show me your postcard. Very good. Now make a black line like that all around. Okay? Yes. And make this square on top. It can be inside your postcard. Okay?
I already made it.
Okay, perfect. So your postcard looks fine, Samaira. Your camera is all right.
Should I cut it?
If you can, if your mama allows you to use the scissors alone.
Yes, she makes me do. But I don't know how to cut that.
See, your mama's there. She'll cut it for you. Tell her to cut it for you. Hi, can you please help Samaira cut the extra parts of the postcard on top?
The triangles you've done,
Yes.
are they on the top side or
Miss,
the
can
bottom?
you repeat it to my mother?
Top. So basically
I
on
just
top.
colored it, so she hasn't made anything extra.
No problem. Can you just give her a little 2 rectangles on top like that so that it looks a little like a camera?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so now everybody, we've done this much and I'm going to finish my camera because I'm excited to color my photos. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to first make a battery. Now a battery is very important for a camera, right? So I'm going to make a battery like that on the right side of my camera. I made a rectangle and I made lines inside it and a smaller square on one side of it. So once you have all made the battery of the camera, we are going to make 2 little rectangles in the corner and 2 little circles like that. So this is what I've done.
Yes, can you show me the battery?
Yes, this is the battery.
Yes, I'm making it. Wait.
And these are the small rectangles and the circles that I've made on the bottom. So I want all of you to make this quickly. And then we are going to make 2 circles on both the sides.
Please, can you show it again?
Yes, I'm showing it with something like a color wheel. So this is what I've done. I've made 2 circles on both the sides looking like a color wheel and one of them has a rectangle. These are just small things that I've given to make the camera look more like a camera. If you don't want to make exactly these things, you can make anything. You can even write your name and write camera. So you can write Pranika's camera, or you can write your papa's name and you can write papa's camera, or you can make these things the way I've made.
And show me a little closer. I could not see it nicely.
Can you see it now?
Yes, let me now draw it.
Okay, so I'm going to hold this for a little while so that all of you can draw this. And after this is the most exciting part. We're going to start drawing photos. So once all of you have done this, can you hold your camera and show me, please? Wow, so many of you have made such beautiful cameras. Your papa's gonna love it. Nice.
Ranika mommy,
Yes, yes.
look at mine.
Yours is so nice. I love it.
I like my name.
Yes,
Mommy,
yes.
I'm leaving now.
Okay. You want to make the photos later?
Yeah, and bye. Can I
Okay.
this post?
Can you see mine?
Mine.
That's very pretty. I love it. Very nice. Okay, so now since all of us have our cameras like this, I'm going to place the camera on the side so that you can keep seeing it, and let's start drawing our photos, okay? So all of you remember we had a strip of paper. Can you hold it up?
Ranika Bua, can you please show the sample that you made?
Sample of the camera.
Yes.
Here. One last time for everybody, this is the sample of the camera. But don't worry, if you're still catching up, I'm happy to show it again and again. So okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take this, and now on your strip, I want you to make 2 lines like that. So look at this.
Look at my camera.
We are going to, very nice, we're going to make 2 lines like that on the side, okay? So everybody take your paper and draw lines like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't need to use a scale. This is something fun that we are doing for our papa.
With a black pen or any color?
Any color that you like, but black just makes it look more like a camera roll. Once you've done this, I want you to draw lines like that. Like that. So just draw straight lines like that on both the sides. And after that, we are going to put our camera roll inside the camera. How many of you made the Mother's Day postcard with us? Is there anybody who was there?
I made.
Oh, wow. So you're going to have a Mother's Day and a Father's Day postcard.
Just like draw one line here and one line there. Yeah?
Yeah, this is what I've done. I've basically made 2 lines on the sides, and I'm filling them in with horizontal lines. Once you've done this much, what I want you to do is take your camera and put your roll inside. So let me put the sample roll back so that you can all see. This is how we put it. Right? Now, if you have this ready, take your sample roll, and it should go from behind because we want the photo part to come on top. Okay? And put it like that and make it go back. Why we have done this is, put your roll till here and then take a pencil or a pen will also do, and just mark your lines where your photos are going to come, like that. So I've just marked 1 and 2. Okay, then you move. Now you see this line and you see this line. These are the 2 lines that I'm going to draw in between. Then you move it a little up, like that. Take it up completely.
And can you show this again?
Yes, yes. So what I've done is I've put my camera roll inside like that, and Once it's still here, I've made 2 lines to decide what I'm going to draw inside. Then I pull it up till here, and then I make 2 more lines.
Miss,
Yes.
I'm making the line. Wait.
Yeah, I'm waiting. So once I've made 2 lines, I pull it up even more, like that.
Ma'am, once can you show the final
The line.
final camera?
I will.
Again.
So if you all see, this is the final camera. Okay, and I'll hold up the camera for you closer. This is the final camera. Now if you all see, let's take out our strip again. And you see I have 1, 2 and 3 holes where I can draw my pictures. Okay, do you all have all of this? Can I see everybody's lines, please?
I'm still
You please show it
making
again.
my
I
line.
was able to see.
No problem. Make your lines. I'll wait for you.
Could you please show
Yes, here you go.
how you did it?
Yeah, so I basically took my camera roll. I put it inside like that. Okay. Then I made it come till here. After that, I just marked 1 and 2. Then I pulled it up little more. Then I again marked, leaving some gap, 1 and 2. Then I pulled it up and I again marked 1 and 2. And then I took it out again. So after this, you will see something like this. Yes. Very good. Now let's take our black pens, and what we are going to do is we are going to see there is one block on top where you do the first block where your photo comes. Under it, I want you to color that block black like this. So make all your lines black first. It will become easy for you. After you've made all your lines black, what I want you to do is, see here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 black lines. Now I'm going to take my black pen and make diagonal lines like that. So this is when your film gets over. You know, when your papa was young, we used to have a camera that used to be used by hand, which you don't have anymore, where you had to put a film like this. When you give him this, you should ask Papa to show you that camera. I'm sure he will have it.
Ma'am, are we making something
Anything.
else as well?
No, this is what we are making.
Ma'am, can you show this
Ma'am, we
again?
are not making something.
Yeah. Can you show this again?
Yes, so what we are doing is, we have taken this camera roll and the top part I've made diagonal lines like this. Have all of you made this much? Can I see, please? I want to see everybody's camera roll.
Yes, I didn't, because I didn't understand how to make these.
Okay, show me your strip.
Can you show the bottom of your strip, please?
That's absolutely fine. Samira, what I want you to do is just
is
make
already
lines like this.
prepared.
Make 3 lines like this, okay?
Ma'am, I
And after making the first,
also, I could see it nicely.
Very good. Here, all of you, this is what it will look like. So after you've made this, leave this much gap, and now let's color this whole box black. Okay? So I'm going to leave a little bit of gap for my photo, and I'm going to color the whole box black like this. So what I've done is, this I've colored with diagonal lines, this I've left for my photo, and this I'm coloring black. Okay? Let us all do this. Yes?
I have a question.
Yes?
After the first block, I
Yeah.
did not understand what to do next.
I'll show you. Just give me 1 minute. So after you've done your first block, you pull it up, leave some gap and make another block like this. So this was your first block inside the camera. Then you pull it up, leave some gap and make another block. And if you're not being able to do it like that, just make 3 lines, 3-4 lines.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that are we making something else instead of this camera?
No, we are making this camera today. Okay? We are making this camera and the entire photo roll. So once you have done this, I want all of you to color this box also. So we have 1, 2 and 3. I'm going to color this box also.
Mama, help!
And after this, I want all of you to start coloring pictures of your papa and you.
Miss, can we take the pictures?
Of course, if you're ready, you can. And I'm ready as well.
Miss,
So
when I
now,
was making the boxes,
can everybody see my postcard? Yes?
so when I was making the boxes on the film,
Yes?
the black part which you've colored, I don't have that part when I'm making it.
Okay, doesn't matter. Do one thing. You made your boxes. Just leave. It doesn't have to be so thick. Just leave very little, like a very thin line, and color it black. Okay?
Okay.
All right. All of you are so awesome. You're understanding so properly. So once we've done this, can I please start coloring? Is everybody ready? Can I see everybody's camera roll and camera like that? Quickly, quickly.
Can you please wait for a...
Miss, my mother made it ulta.
Doesn't matter. Show me. It's not ulta. It's fine. It's seedha. I'll teach you how to put your camera roll inside. I'm waiting. Don't worry. So has everybody done this much?
Oh yeah, I understand. Sorry. Yes.
Okay. This is what I'm holding. You all can do this. Till I'm waiting for you, I'm going to make one more box over here. So what I've done is, I have 3 little holes for my photos and I have 4 sections for my drawings. And I've divided them with this black box. So you can do exactly this, or you can try and do something different if you don't have enough space. But at the end of it, this is what it will look like. Okay? Now can I see everybody's cameras and your roll? Very nice, all of you. Wow! I'm sure Papa's gonna love this. So good. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I just colored this
I'm
top
ready
part
for
and
photo. Ma'am,
instead of drawing
I
it.
only have
That's fine, Sanati. That's absolutely fine. What?
3 sections.
That's absolutely fine. Don't worry about it. You can only have 1 section also.
Okay.
So once we've done this much, now I'm very excited to color my photos. So what I'm going to do is, in my first picture over here, I'm going to draw a picture of me and my papa. Now if you can't draw something very detailed, you can just draw a pencil figure like this, where you draw a stick figure like this. This can be papa and this can be you. Okay? So if you want to draw something simple, you can draw like this.
Ma'am, may we start?
Yes, please. Otherwise, I'm going to draw a face of my papa and me. So I make a U for my face. Then I make my hair. Now you can see I have long hair. So I'm going to make long hair like that. And I'm going to join it on top like that. Okay? After that, I'm going to, since I'm wearing a t-shirt today, I'm going to make a neck and a round and a t-shirt. If you want to make something simple, you can make 2 stick figures like that also. If you are not being able to make something so difficult, you can make a stick figure like that. So once I complete my body, I'm going to make hands in the middle like that. Okay? So this is me, everybody. Have we all made this much? Now I'm going to make Papa. So for Papa, because my Papa is very tall, I'm going to make him taller than me like that. And his hair is of course short, not as long as mine. So I'm going to make his hair like that. And then my Papa usually wears a shirt. So I will make him wear a collared shirt like that. And I'm going to take it down and make buttons. So what have I done? I've made a line and I've made buttons. And I'm going to make his hands go out like that. So his hands are going out of the picture and my shirt is like this. And then I'm going to make his face. My Papa is always happy. So I'm going to make the nose, which is long, eyes, and a big happy smiley face. And when I'm with my Papa, I'm always happy. So what I'm going to do with my face is make 2 eyes like that, like when they're closed, like that. And then I'm going to make a smiley face, a big smiley face, because when I'm with my Papa, I'm so happy. So have we all been able to make this much so far? Can I see everybody's drawings, please? And if you don't want to make a portrait of your Papa and you can make anything.
Dada has a design with her.
Wow, you can make anything that your Papa likes, okay? So if your Papa likes chocolates, if your Papa likes a boat, if your Papa likes a kite, or you can even write words about him. So I think my Papa is very intelligent, so I'm going to write intelligent over here and color it. Wow, very nice. So have we all been able to do this much so far? Very good. Some of you have drawn such a pretty picture of your Papa. I love it. Very nice. So if we've done this much, let's go to our next photograph. So for my next photograph, I actually want to draw all the things that my Papa loves. So you know what my Papa loves?
Miss,
Yes,
can I show mine?
please show. So my Papa loves maths. So I'm going to draw maths in the next one. Wow, very nice. I love it. So whatever your Papa loves, draw that in the next one.
Papa and me and a heart.
Wow, that is so sweet. You can even do that. You can draw Papa, you, and a heart. So I'm going to draw maths. So I've drawn a plus, minus, multiply, and divide. Then my Papa loves chocolates. Who doesn't like chocolates? So I'm going to draw chocolates. And what else?
Miss?
What else? My Papa loves watching the TV.
Hookah.
Wow, it's so nice. I love it.
What? My
Papa making such pretty things. Now I'm going to draw a TV because my Papa loves watching the TV. And you know what he loves to watch in the TV? He watches the news. So I will write news in the middle. So if you want to draw a TV like me, you can draw this also. So you can draw chocolates if your Papa likes maths, or if you need help with something else that your Papa likes and you don't know how to draw, ask me and I'll teach you how to draw it, okay?
How to draw history?
Wow, that's a tough one. You know what I'm going to do? Take a book, make a book like this. Make a book like this. Take two V's and make a book like this and write history. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're
Can you make a
welcome.
simple dog face?
You want to make a dog face?
Yes.
Okay, so you make a round and make a little. 1 minute. I'm trying to make a dog face. I don't know how to make a dog face.
Miss, I know how to make a really.
So you can just.
I know how to make the dog face.
So can you show me how to
Okay.
make cookies and sweets? So you can make sweets like this.
See if you want
A
to
baby like that.
Mine.
You can make a baby wrapped in this and a smiley face.
But mine.
So that's a baby. Okay, and
you
sweets
can
you
draw
make
a dog like
And who is showing me a dog face?
I
Can
know
I
how
show
to
you a
draw.
dog face?
Show me, show me.
Like just make a man without arms.
Miss, you can make a you like a face.
Just make a smile, a small smile, and then make a round, like an oval. Then here,
Wow, thank you for teaching us something new today.
and
Miss, I have a different way.
Okay, I'll make you tell us also.
here.
Perfect. So see, this is an easy way, everybody, to make a dog face. Thank you so much. Thank you, Arohi. Can you hold it 1 minute
You're
so that everybody can see?
Yeah.
Everybody who wanted to make a dog face, you can see this, okay? Thank you, Arohi. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And I'm going, you want to show me your dog face? Wow, this is even simpler. Okay, so someone
Make a
with
you
a
and
simpler
dog.
dog face you can make like this. Thank you, everybody. You all teach me such new things every day. I love drawing with all of you. So now I have finished my second drawing like this. Let me show you what I'm doing.
Ma'am,
I've drawn maths, toffees, news, yes.
mine is done, so can I leave?
Yes, of course. Please send me a picture. Tell your mama to send me a picture. Can you show me?
Sure. I do. Do vegetables, ma'am?
Wow, vegetables you can draw like that. That's a carrot. Very nice. Thank you so much for joining us. You can draw a carrot like that, okay? So now we are going to draw, and in the third one, I want to write all the words that I like about my papa. So I'm going to write, first I'm going to actually color the third one yellow so that I can write, okay? So the third one you can do a light color like that so that you can write your words on top. So now what I'm going to do is, after you've done this much,
Miss, my page is full.
your page is full, no problem.
See? Miss, see?
Show me, show me. No problem, that looks lovely. That looks beautiful. Now is everybody ready to color? This is what I've done. One has a picture of me and Papa. One has everything that he loves. And in the third one, I've just filled it up with yellow because I want to write all the good words that describe my Papa. Okay? So now let's begin. And in the last one, if you have space, you can again draw stripes like that. And if you don't have space, you can let it be. So now let's start coloring, everyone. My hair and my papa's hair is going to be black. After So I'm going to make him wear a green color shirt. And I love the color red. So I'm going to wear a red color shirt. And then when you give this to your papa,
My favorite color is red and I'm wearing a red color dress.
oh wow! So you must color red to your clothes today. And when you give this to you, I'm going to make my papa's buttons red. Okay? And when you give this to your papa today, remember to tell him why he's wearing this color shirt, because you think that is his favorite color. But when are we going to give this card to our papa? Can everybody take a guess?
24th. Let me like a pig.
Yes, Sunday.
I can't remember.
Wow, everybody. I'm going to use a skin color to color the face of Papa and me. And even my hands over there like that. This is what I've done so far. Wow! And if you want in one of your blocks, you can even write Happy Father's Day. But remember, behind the postcard, you must sign your name. Or you can even sign it on your camera. So I've done this, and I'm also going to color my background with a light peach color. But if you want your background to be white, you can let it be white also. That will look equally nice. I'm so excited to give this to my papa on Sunday. What all are you doing for Father's Day? Can you all tell me? Is somebody...
I'm making a little gift. I sprinkled rice on cardboard and I painted it golden. Oh,
Mom, I'll give him 2 gifts.
And I put a photo inside
I
the
will try
blue
to arrange a party.
Wow, a party! That sounds like so much fun. Okay, so I had made
I
dairy milk.
made a party ball.
Wow, so this is what my portrait looks
In
like.
which I have a balloon. And I'll put
Very nice. So this is what my portrait looks like. Now I'm going to color all his favorite things. I've made dairy milk because he loves to eat dairy milk. So I'm going to color that purple.
Mom, how have you made dairy milk?
I just made a very simple dairy milk. I made a
Can you
rectangle like that. And I made a wrapper like that on the side and I wrote dairy milk. I'm going to color my TV brown.
Can I leave?
Yes, if your postcard is done, please show it to all of us and you can leave. Thank you so much for joining us.
And the front, this is there. And at the back, I really wanted to put some details, so I did this.
Wow, I love it. Turn it around again so that everybody can see. I love it. Thank you so much for joining us. Please tell Mama to send us your picture.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Everybody, we have a YouTube channel. If you missed on to any of our workshops, you can look at them again. I've put the details in the chat. Our YouTube channel is called Sketch by H and our Instagram pages are called @Studio H Design and Sketch by H India. Please tell your mama or papa to tag us when you show them the postcard so that we can all see, or ask them to send me a
Mom,
picture
how?
of your email address.
Mom, how to know about your workshops in future?
You can get to know about my workshops online. We update them all on Instagram. And if you have registered for one of the workshops, you will keep receiving emails on your email address that you registered with today. So once you've done this, I'm going to now color my toffees pink. Has everybody been able to color everything? Can I see everybody's postcards? This is what I've done so far. And now I'm going to write words that I love about my papa in the third one. And then my postcard will be complete. So I'm going to write intelligent.
I'm still coming.
No problem, take your time. We are all doing this together. So I'm going to write intelligent, then I'm going to make a heart. Then I'm going to write tall. My papa is very tall. Tell me more words about your papa. What do you think of? when you think of your papa?
Logical.
Logical. That's a very nice word. Please write that. I'm going to write street smart. I think my papa is very street smart. I'm going to write logical as well. I agree with you. Even my papa is very logical. What else, everybody? Tell me some good words. My papa is funny. So I'm going to write funny. And I'm going, look what I'm doing. When I write a word, I write it and I make a
Practical. Practical.
practical, caring, understandable. Wow, so many lovely words.
Ma, Pranika Masi, can I color the background?
Of course you can. Selfless. My papa is so selfless. He gives me so much love. And whenever I tell him I want to shop for something, he never says no. So that's why I've written selfless, loving, kind. I think my papa is very kind and he has a very warm heart. So these are the words that I've written for my papa, and I have made those hearts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to color the hearts red. Okay, like that. Now you remember we did something like this on our Mother's Day postcard also, whoever was with us.
Miss,
Yes.
it's so exciting that when my mother was pregnant and she couldn't come, me and my father went on a somebody, in actual life somebody.
Wow, that's so cool. So you can
And I had my friends also with me.
that's
And it was outer Bombay.
That's amazing. So here everybody, my postcard is ready. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and put this inside my postcard like that. And here we have our postcard ready to give to our papa. And when you pull it up and down, you can see all the things that he loves. So this is my first photo of papa and me. This is everything that he loves. So we have maths, we have news, we have chocolates. And these are all the words that my papa loves, that I think my papa is. Intelligent, tall, street smart, logical, funny, selfless, loving, kind, warm-hearted. So this is my postcard. I hope all of you had fun. Can I see everybody's postcards? Are they ready? Thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you for coming. I love your postcards.
And there's putting them inside.
Wow, remember to give it to your papa on Sunday. Give him a tight hug and wish him a very happy Father's Day. Tell him you love him so, so much. Okay? And please tell your mama to take a picture of your postcard and send it to us. I would love to see. I've put our YouTube channel and Instagram details on the chat. I'm putting it again for all of you. Remember to tag us on @Studio H Design or Sketch by H India. If you've missed any of our episodes, you can go to our YouTube channel Sketch by H and look at them and draw these postcards again. Check out our work at hdesign.in. We've been doing some fabulous graphic work other than all the fun postcards that we've been making with you. Thank you so much for taking out the time today and coming to our workshop. We love drawing with you, and the purpose of this workshop is only to make you happy.
Miss,
Yes?
can I show you a thing? First, this is the part. I just want to ask a question.
Wow, show me, show me. Whoever's finished their postcards, please hold it up so that I can show it to everybody.
Come on, Amy.
Wow, okay, I'm going to show everybody's postcards. Look at that. Wow, I love it. Yes, Kiara, anything? Wow, lovely, beautiful. That's so cool. I love your postcard. Very nice. Who else? Show me.
Ma'am?
I love it. Hold your postcard up. So nice. It's so
Ma'am?
sweet. Yes. Very nice. This is lovely.
Pranika ma'am?
Yes. Oh wow, this is so cool. Bright and happy. I love it. Please send
Love.
us pictures. Remember to send us pictures. Tag us on Instagram. Wow.
I am
Cool. I absolutely love it. Who else? Show me. Wow. Lovely.
Thank you,
मैंने
ma'am.
लिखा अपना
Thank you so
अपने
much. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for coming. Who else? Who else is postcard? Lovely
I
postcard.
just want to ask a question. I just want to ask a question.
Okay, ask.
I just want
Yes,
to ask
please ask a question. Please ask.
Miss, can you share this writing down?
Oh, I have an idea. If it's going down, you can turn it around and stick sellotape over here. Okay? On both the sides, sellotape over here so that it becomes tight and it doesn't fall. So I want you, let me show you how I want your sellotape to be. So you take a sellotape and you put it slanting, not on top of your sheet but slanting so that it becomes tight. Okay? Try that. And if it's still slipping, you can tape it with your sheet. No problem.
Miss,
Yes?
can you show mine? Can I leave?
Of course. Yes, please don't leave till I show yours. I love this. Beautiful. Netflix. Your papa loves Netflix. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us.
You're welcome.
This is so cool. I love it.
Miss,
Yes.
I still have one more.
Thank you, ma'am.
I have
No problem. You can finish that and send me a picture later. Or I'm here for another 5 minutes waiting for you. Wow, this is lovely. Hold your postcard.
Miss, see
So
mine.
cool. I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody.
Miss,
Thank
see
you for
mine.
joining us.
Miss, see.
Wow. So cool. You're so cool. I love it.
See. Miss, can you
Really
bring
nice.
the cave with me again?
Really nice. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a very fun Father's Day on Sunday. Enjoy your holiday.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for joining me. That's so pretty.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. See you again. Bye bye.
Bye.
Can you show mine too?
Miss,
Of course you can.
can you show
I
mine?
love it. I love you so
Miss, can you show mine?
happy. Yes, hold yours up. I'll show
I
you.
have one more box left.
No problem. Draw it. Take your time. When you do something for Papa, you should do it patiently with time and he'll automatically love it. So pretty. Papa's gonna love this one. Oh wow. Let's see this one. So pretty. Nice. I love it.
It's a brushlet.
Really nice. And we have one more. Wow. Let me show you all.
Let's see the second one.
So nice. Thank you so much for joining us, everybody. I love your enthusiasm.
Miss,
Yes.
second one.
Oh wow, you made 2? That's so cool. Look at this, everyone. Really nice. Thank you so much.
Okay, I can show you the next one.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for joining us. Hope to see you again.
Bye, Miss.
Bye.
The dog baby.
Lovely. That's awesome. Right.
It's a candy because he loves candy.
Happy to solve your problems. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope to see you again in the next episode of
Miss?
Let's Draw a Postcard Together
Miss?
with H Design. Thank you so much.
Miss,
Yes.
can I make like this how I made the Father's Day card? Like this only a Mother's Day card?
Of course you can. Please
Miss?
go on and make sure you send me a picture.
Miss, bye.
Bye. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Bye, everybody.
Miss,
Yes.
can I leave the meeting?
Of course you can. Your drawing is over. Go and enjoy.
Okay, I'm enjoying it. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you for coming. Hope to see you again at the next episode of Let's Draw a Postcard with Sketch by Etch and Studio Etch and Etch Design India. We have so many names. Thank you for joining us. See you again. Bye.